This is Sarah. She's gonna bike on the playground. You ready, Sarah?
Oh, it's funny.
Yeah!
This bike has to be made. Oh, yeah, that's right. This is the sexy beast's son. With me and him. Me and him complete a child. Extra beast completed. What is up with the taking off?
That's gonna be hard. Get a better angle. Hey, I'm Steph. Hey. Ready, Sarah? Do it again. Hang on. I need to get a better. Ah! Almost fell. Do that again. Ah! Almost fell off the dang thing. Ugh. Hold on. Okay, yeah, you go backwards. Getting all angles. 1 second. Yeah. Go up the hill. Just 1 second first. I need to get around. Dang. Ugh. Alright.
Don't try this at home. Wait, I'm not trying it at home, I'm trying it at the playground. That's why you don't try it at home.
Woo! Horseshoe! Come on!
Well, I'm just going to fall. I just don't see you do that. Okay. Here we go. I'm going to run into that thing.
Do it. Y'all okay up there?
Yeah. Come on, let's see it. New way.
Texter. We got a texter on the loose. Woo.
So Brendan, his name is Rock that he found. He's like, why like he's a pet?
Okay, we're gonna go around. Whee!
Oh, that would die though.
Oh, that would be cool. Whee! Ah! Shouldn't do this one with one hand. Okay, yeah, whoa. Ah! Shouldn't be doing this with one hand. It's off the sidewalk. Oh, come on, get up with your text obsession.
And home now.
Okay.
I'll tell him on me to the bike.
Yeah. Meet us with a bike. Because I want to show you my Uncle Donnie's.
Okay.
Whee!
That's so fun.